Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. My very first massage class was 100-hour intensive Swedish massage class. It was intensive because we had class almost every day and we were done in 1 month. One of the requirements in this Swedish massage class was to learn Tai Chi because you can apply the Tai Chi movement to give Swedish massage. This week I will introduce you to Tai Chi as I demonstrated at ECETI in Washington, where I recently visited. ECETI stands for Enlightened Contact with Extraterrestrial Intelligence. It is a beautiful place with Mount Adams in the background, where you can observe UFOs. I think you can learn a lot more by visiting here than storming Area 51 in September. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, just Google Storm Area 51. Mind you, I'm not an expert, I'm a beginner at this. I already found some things that I'm doing wrong. I welcome any pointers if you know Tai Chi. So what is Tai Chi? It's an ancient Chinese form of exercise based on martial arts. Tai Chi has been developed over hundreds of years and there are different styles depending on the family that passed it on. In general, they were pretty long with a sequence of 88 to 108 postures, also known as long form. In 1956, the Chinese government sports committee called on 4 Tai Chi teachers to come up with a simpler sequence so it's easier for everyone to learn and exercise. So they came up with the standardized 24 form, also known as short form or yang form, although I guess the Yang family doesn't recognize it, but that's the one I learned. It's a slow movement, but I know my teacher would say I'm doing too fast. It's like a moving meditation and very calming. You may have seen a picture of a group practicing Tai Chi on the streets or park in Asia. Often these practitioners are old, and sometimes very old, which makes me think this must be good for longevity. In fact, the benefits of Tai Chi are mental clarity and focus, building strong base and balance, flexibility, reduce arthritis pain, reduce stress, better breathing, to name a few. The keys we learned in Tai Chi were to extend your head, soft gaze over horizon, dropped shoulders, rounded elbows, soft wrists, Tai Chi trunk without bending, follow Dantian below belly button, breathe into belly, bent knee, complete shift of weight, stay leveled, and eggs under armpits. These help to learn how to use body in Swedish massage. I also find myself pivoting on my heels a lot during massage and using the side moves from cloud hands when I massage backs and legs. To tell you the truth, after the Swedish massage class, I didn't practice Tai Chi for 7 years, and I completely forgot after the first movement. So I looked for a teacher for a refresher, but I basically had to relearn the whole sequence. I don't think my demonstration does justice, so I will include the links to my favorite Tai Chi video that I studied when I was relearning the sequence. Although it's low impact exercise, it can be a workout. I sometimes break sweat and my hands get very hot at the end. And when I finish without making a mistake, I'm left with a sense of accomplishment. It just makes you feel good in multiple aspects. I went to a massage school called Healing Hands. They were very down to earth and we sat on the floor most of the time during the class instead of sitting in a chair and writing on the table. I don't know if other massage schools also teach Tai Chi, but I was very grateful to be introduced to this exercise for the body and mind. By the way, if you ever go to ECETI and do skywatch at night, I highly recommend you grab one of those recliners that they have in the field, because you will be looking up at the sky for a long time and even behind you, and that will kill your neck. And as you look up, you'll be creating wrinkles on your forehead for a long time, which is not good. The second night I grabbed a recliner and it was such a neck saver and forehead saver. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. Live long and prosper.